reduce noise, reduce environmental pollution, reduce the risk of engine failure. All results of keeping up with your vehicle's exhaust maintenance, an important part of engine management. A typical exhaust system includes 5 components: the exhaust manifold, downpipe, catalytic converter, center section, and rear silence assembly, all working together to keep you safe and sound and quiet on the road. The component most prone to failure is the rear silencer assembly, where moisture can gather in the box and cause corrosion, leading to holes, and in turn leading to engine failure. Another problematic area is possible leaks from the catalytic converter, which degrade your vehicle's performance. Plus, leaking exhaust systems are illegal and can also lead to health concerns like carbon monoxide poisoning. Typically, the most expensive component in the exhaust system to replace is the catalytic converter. Proper servicing to your engine system will extend the life of the catalytic converter and keep it running smoothly. Feel in control when you stay on top of your vehicle's exhaust maintenance. Not only will you be helping the environment, but you'll also be helping yourself.